Hey students, today we are going to learn about number digits. So, what is a digit? A digit is any number from 0 to 9. If we have the number 2, there is only one digit, because there is just one number. Now, in the number 35 we have two digits. There are two numbers that make up the number 35. A 3 and a 5 make up the number 35. We are learning about place value, and in the number 35 there are two places. There is a ones place which holds the number 5 and the tens place which holds the number 3. Now that you have learned about digit, can you tell me how many digits are in the number 442? There are 3 digits, because there are 3 numbers. And in the number 442 there are 3 places values. In ones place we have the number 2, in tens place we have the number 4, and in the hundreds place we also have the number 4. As we get familiar with place value, this will be useful to remember what a digit is. Thank you.